In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Vimeo membership plan. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to vimeo.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into the account that has the active membership. This matters because the cancel option only appears for accounts with a paid plan. Once you're on the site and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to your account preferences where you can manage everything from your profile to billing. Inside Settings, find and select Billing. This is the hub for your payment details and plan status. In the billing area, look for the section labeled Membership Plan. If your account currently has a subscription, you'll see a button that says Cancel Plan. Go ahead and click that. Vimeo will usually show a confirmation screen. Take a moment to review any notes here. You'll typically see information about when your paid features will end and whether your plan switches to a free tier immediately or at the end of the current billing cycle. If you're offered options to pause instead of cancel or to change plans, that's entirely up to you. But to fully stop renewal, continue with the cancellation. Confirm the choice by following the on-screen prompts. After you confirm, you should see a success message indicating that your plan is canceled or scheduled to end on a specific date. It's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and double-check that the billing section reflects the update. You may also receive a confirmation email. Keep that for your records. If you don't see the cancel plan button, there are a couple of common reasons. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Second, if you originally subscribed through a mobile app store, the subscription may be managed by that store and you'll need to cancel it there. In those cases, Vimeo won't show the cancel button on the website. To verify everything is set, return to the billing page, and confirm that your plan shows a cancellation date or indicates you're on a free plan. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Vimeo, opened your profile and settings, navigated to billing, selected membership plan, and used the cancel plan option to stop your subscription. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage your Vimeo membership.